Finally. Grab a seat. Enjoy the show. This is history.
Were you born an asshole, or did you practice your whole life? Either way, it worked out fine, 'cause you're an asshole tonight. Well, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E, and don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit, 'cause you're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday, you're an asshole tonight. And I got this feeling.
How much signal I need to cut across 8 lane? None? I turn now. Good luck, everybody else!
Indicator would be good. Really, mate? Really? Wonderful. Good on you, buddy.
What's your problem, schmuck? I'm an inconsiderate prick!
Good on you, dickhead. What a moron. What a moron. Beep later. Got to show off. And where did it get him for all his trouble? Nowhere. At the same red light that I'm at. Good God. 895 ZZU. Wow.
Nobody likes a bogan.
It was me!
A few moments later.
All to go in there. Into Starbucks. What a brilliant. Oh, lovely. What a good lane change with no indication. And again. Oh, God. Okay, well, you don't know how to drive very well, do you? But you write an indicator on tells people you're going to turn right, not go straight ahead. All those people at that roundabout would have got confused then, thinking you were going to turn right. So you're going to do the same thing at this one? Let's see. Right, indicator's on, and I watch it. She'll go straight ahead. Yep, that is not how you use a roundabout. You're supposed to indicate left according to the law to come out of the roundabout, but you don't indicate right when you're at the roundabout. Please, people, get it right. She's going to do it on every roundabout, and that's going to confuse every driver. 427 GF9, please learn to drive properly. Oh, she's actually turning right on that one. Woo! Bloody hell.
That's how Americans do it.
All right.
Come on, you can back up a little bit, mate. Don't make my life fucking difficult. Come on, go backwards. Oh, for fuck's sake, why you gotta make things difficult, man? Can't fucking back up a little bit? Really? Fucking idiot. There's another one number that's going to push his way in. Of course. Yeah, great driving, buddy. Wakey, wakey! Fucking hell! He went through a red light.